London Locksmith. Okay, we've got a job here. We're going to change the night latch for the customer to a more high security one. So we've got here British standard night latch. Error. We're going to put that in to make the door more secure. Alright, let's see how it goes. Hey, welcome back to your London Locksmith. As you see, we fit the lock, high security, night latch. Job done. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment. Let us know what you think and what else we can put on our next videos. That's it for now. Be good and please stay safe, and I'll catch you up on the next video.